Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. ClearCheckbook provides several ways of adding your transactions. You can manually enter them, connect your bank for automatic transaction syncing, upload scanned receipts, and have them turned into transactions, and finally, import them from a downloaded file from your bank or other financial software. In this episode, we'll go through the process of importing your transactions into ClearCheckbook. You can import QIF, OFX, QFX, and CSV files into ClearCheckbook. These are all industry standards for financial data, and most banks and financial software will let you export to one of these formats. To start, navigate to the Tools section and then click on the Import Transactions link. Now, we'll select our file to import. In this example, we'll import a QIF file containing a few transactions. The next page you'll be taken to is called the Import Options page. You'll be able to match the data from the file with the relevant fields in ClearCheckbook. In most cases, the fields will match automatically, but you can tailor them as needed. For example, maybe you want the text to go into the Payee field instead of the Description field. You can change that by updating the appropriate drop-down. There are other options on this page, such as setting a start date, selecting which account the transaction should be added to, and if you want to have any automatic categorization applied. These automatic categorization settings can be set up in a separate page. Once you're ready, the transactions will be processed and then shown to you on the Import Verification page. This is the final step where you can make sure the data was imported correctly, the fields were properly matched, and everything looks good. At this point, the transactions haven't been added to your register but remain in this separate queue. If you regularly import files from this source, you can save any custom settings, such as field matching, so you won't need to do this every time you import a similar file. When you're ready to fully import them into your register, click either the Add All Transactions or Add Selected Transactions button. Once the transactions have been fully imported, you can go to your transaction register and see them. For more information about importing transactions, check out the Help section at ClearCheckbook.com.